First problem with the Krone Baler, and it's not even a Krone part. Can you believe that? First problem with Krone Baler is the power takeoff shield decided it was going to blow up. Reason it blew up was pretty simple. This came undone. Of course, now it won't do it. Can you believe that? Huh. Anyway, this, of course, now it didn't go. There it goes. This piece here came off, slid in, and apparently, I think Cody said it did wrap. Didn't he say it wrapped? So it wrapped, spun this, took the whole front piece of that off of there, and I'm not really worried about this part here wrapping as much as I am worried about this part wrapping, because I was running the baler yesterday and it started to wrap in here, so I have to yeah, here, you're gonna run this, you run that thing. So it was gonna it did wrap a little bit, but anyway, it won't stay together anymore like it's supposed to. I don't think it will. What do we got? Yeah, that's where it's supposed to be. So I've decided, me and P.T.O here have decided, at least I've decided, and he's going to go along with it because he has no choice, to take these little screws, these little black screws here. I'm going to drill, I'm going to drill a pilot hole in here, like this. Okay. And then I'm going to run 4 of these screws into this thing. And the 4 screws should hold this plastic tight against the bell, and I should not have that issue again. Now, why it did that, I do not know why. Yesterday I took a piece of string and I stuck it through here to hold the shielding from spinning and actually pulling away from there. And it seemed to work, but it wasn't exactly what I thought it should be. But I don't think I went all the way through on the first one, did I? So anyway, here we go. Nope, I did go all the way through the damn thing. Anyway, maybe I can just... You know, I got a feeling. I do have a feeling that I went into a groove or something. Let's see. Yeah, this one here I must have hit the hole, the pilot hole. Okay, so I only did drill 3 holes, but we're going to see if this works before we get too far into it. Because quite honestly, we're supposed to have rain coming today, correct?
I think so.
That's what they're claiming. Okay, we're not hitting anything, which is good. I have 4 of these screws. I want to put them kind of evenly. Okay. I just want to hold them in place so that the shield can... Actually, these screws should really just... The screws should really just... That doesn't sound very nice.
Is that the screw?
Yeah, the screw's hitting something in the shaft. One of the screws, it won't take long and that'll be gone. But what I'm trying to do here is, I'm actually going to put another one right there. I'm going to put a bigger thing on there. What I want is that screw to keep it in the buttons. If the screws keep the plastic in the buttons, then I won't have any problems at all, really. Because the plastic will stay in place. Let's give it a shot. I don't know. I don't know what that is. That's not good. I mean, I gotta take those out again. At least this one. Okay, let's just do it this way then. And we won't even drill that pilot hole now, will we? It ain't that one. It's this one. don't want that one to be hitting, do we?
Mm-mm.
No. No, worst comes to worst. What is this one? Who the hell knows? You know, this is the stupidest setup I think I've ever seen, really. But here's what it is. We're going to let it ride like that because Krone is sending me a new shield for this machine. And we're going to see how it works here pretty soon because I just need to get going, right? Right?
Huh.
So what I'm going to do first, before I do anything here, is actually shorten up this string. This was supposed to be a chain, but the chain, obviously, departed this world at some point. Old 63 Impala's probably wondering why in the hell that knife is so dull. Well, me too. Let's see what we got here. So we can kind of do this in a weird way. Do we really want that thing to be wrapping like that? I think there's enough room there. What do you think? Well, that one over there will hold it one way. This is going to have to hold it the next. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Is it going to hold? Never. Okay, one way or the other. That one's either going to hold it or this one is. I have a very sharp knife on my knife and a very dull knife on my knife, so the very sharp one's the one that seems to cut me all the time. But anyway, so that's that. So at least I've got the thing kind of stuck together. And whatever these screws do in there, I got new ones coming. So I'm probably going to, when I go to put this thing back together, I'm going to use amazing goop in the new shields to hold them that way. And we'll see where that goes. It doesn't make any sense as to why that shield did what it did. I grease it every freaking day. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully it holds together. You can shut that